You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is. I ain't got time to play, my nigga, I got real kids. Nigga, that's your real shit. You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is. You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is. I ain't got time to play, my nigga, I got real kids. Alright. Nigga, that's your real shit. You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is. I know I look young, but this one coming straight from the soul. So please excuse me if I start to seem a little old. Believe half of what you see and none of what you told. My skin done turned into a coat, this world is getting cold. I got that question for you, bro, you wanna see me grow? Cause if you don't, shit, I can go. If so, just let me know. I'd rather us be getting dough or building from the flow. They got you thinking it ain't so, you went from friend to foe. How could I ever take a brother if he really close? How could you listen to these folks when they hate you the most? How would you feel to see your daddy hanging from a rope? How would you feel to watch them fuck your mama like a hoe? So many questions I can throw, but can you answer though? We went from slaves to white folks, scared to open their doors. You use your power as a coward, it's gon' really show. Perfect example of these officers across the globe. This real shit is all I spit, so I'ma let you know. If we can't learn from each other, I'ma let you go. If we can't earn together, really what you around me for? As the world turn, nigga, round and around we go. You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is. I ain't got time to play, my nigga, I got real kids. Nigga, that's your real shit. You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is. You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is. I ain't got time to play, my nigga, I got real kids. Nigga, that's your real shit. You so used to fake that, you don't know what real is.
Man, nigga was born real, still ills. As I define what real is. Probably pulling the rim and bumping that Fonzerelli real deal. Shot my dog, waist down, paralyzed, wheel chill. But we don't fuck with 12, so I respect the fact he gets will. Told my mama I love her, bet that sent chills. Cause she ain't heard me say it since them crackers gave me 10 years. The presidents are dead, but still the money ruin friendships. I seen it, real is real, no in between it. Niggas tampering with the meaning. They got the block hotter than Phoenix. Shooting them shots like they in Phoenix. Wetting up shit like a bikini. Throwing they lights way just that easy. Way I throw the butt my sons into my pawns right off that gun. Came this close to killing a man for all that raw with his tongue. My little nip on them papers, curfew set, it's 11:30. Steady, I just smoking, drinking, young nigga record dirty. It's just an example how we must lead by example, cause they watching. I've been thugging ever since he was in Pampers. Police plotting on my rap sheet. Could've been an athlete. It once was the back of the bus, now they want us in back seats. I try to show my sons what's real, want them to do better, cause fucking with that D results the uniforms, blue devils, Glock. Mezzo, we got him, homie.
Kato, you way too dope, kid.
Real, real.
Kato, you way too dope, kid.